Shifting gears in English. Mastering language register changes. Hello, language learners. Today we're taking a deep dive into an important yet often overlooked aspect of language mastery, recognizing the need for shifts in register and language style. Whether it's in writing an academic paper, participating in a business meeting, or even just having a casual chat with friends, the ability to identify when to shift between formal and informal language can greatly enhance your communication skills. Let's get started. Before we start discussing when and how to switch, let's make sure we understand what register and language style are. The register refers to the level of formality in language use. It varies based on the context, audience, and purpose of the communication. For instance, the language used in an academic article is quite different from the language used in a text message to a friend. The language style, on the other hand, refers to how we express ourselves within a certain register. For example, in an academic register, we might choose a more passive or impersonal style, whereas in a casual register, we might opt for a more active or personal style. The art is in recognizing when to use which register and style. Let's explore that next. It's all about being context-aware. Who are you talking to? What is the purpose of the conversation or text? Is it a professional setting or a casual one? Recognizing the need to shift your register and style depends on the answers to these questions. For instance, if you're in a job interview, you're expected to use a formal register and professional style. On the other hand, when chatting with friends at a coffee shop, you'd shift to an informal register and a more relaxed style. In academic or professional writing, watch out for cues such as the purpose of the text, the intended audience, or any guidelines provided. These will help you identify the correct register and style. The transition between registers and styles should be smooth and appropriate. Let's consider a scenario. You've finished a formal business meeting and now you're joining your colleagues for lunch. How do you transition from a formal to an informal register? Here's the secret. Start by mirroring the language of others. If your colleagues are using informal language, follow their lead. Pay attention to pronouns as well. Shifting from one or we to I or you can indicate a more personal style. Likewise, in written contexts, notice how the language changes in different parts of a text. You might notice formal language in the introduction and conclusion of an academic article, but a slightly more personal style in the discussion section. And there you have it. Recognizing when and how to shift between different registers and language styles is an essential skill in mastering English. Remember, it's all about being context-aware and adapting your language accordingly. We hope this video has given you some insights into the art of shifting registers and styles in English. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!